Look what I found at my stepdad's job. Cat. Hey. This kitty doesn't even have her eyes open yet. Hey. I built this entire cardboard house for her. In this house, we have a lot of paper shreds. This one, we have a nice black carpet with her favorite stuffed animal. Sadly, we won't have her because we're giving her away, sadly. The problem with parents. But very adorable kitty. Haven't even named her. Yes, I hear you. Can I pick up you? Can I pick you up? Oh my god.
Boys, no. Let him. Dexter, go let him.
No.
Dexter.
My mom is trying to make sure the dogs don't attack the cat. Show them your beautiful face, kitty. Kitty. Show them your face. Show them your face. Oh, no. Chill. Yes. She doesn't like being alone. When I paused the video for that brief moment, you could see that her eyes were still closed. So yes, very cute cat. Chill. What, you want the bunny? Here, I'll give you the bunny. Here. Bunny. Fluffy bunny. Gotta be honest, I never really liked that bunny anyway, so. I love you, kitty. I actually just made this house enhancement just like 5 minutes ago, so wow. It works. Hey, kitty. Want muffins? Kitty. Go back with your bunny. You're safe with the bunny. The bunny is protective. Bye, guys.